This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Auto transmission fluid change. Ford Ranger. Pull the hood release lever located underneath the steering wheel. Lift the hood safety latch and raise the hood upwards. Support the hood with the prop rod. Apply the handbrake. Chock the rear wheels to prevent the vehicle from rolling. Remove the wheel trim center cap. Loosen the front wheel lug nuts, then raise the front of the car and support it on jack stands. After the vehicle has been driven to warm up the fluid, move the necessary equipment under the vehicle, being careful not to touch any of the hot engine or exhaust components. Pry loose the two clips that secure the heat shield to the edge of the transmission fluid pan. It isn't necessary to remove the heat shield from the vehicle. With the drain pan in place, remove the mounting bolts from the front and sides of the transmission fluid pan. Loosen the rear pan bolts approximately 4 turns. Carefully pry the transmission pan loose with a screwdriver. Let the pan hang down so the fluid can drain. Don't damage the pan or transmission gasket surfaces, or leaks could develop. Remove the remaining bolts, pan, and gasket. Carefully clean the gasket surface of the transmission to remove all traces of the old gasket and sealant. Drain the fluid from the transmission pan, clean it with solvent, and dry it with compressed air. On most models, there will be a magnet on the bottom of the pan. Remove and clean it, and the pan with solvent or lacquer thinner. Then place the magnet in its original position. Do not be alarmed if there is some fine metal sludge around the magnet when you first inspect it. This is normal between fluid changes. Remove the transmission filter mounting bolt, then carefully pry loose the filter at each end. Install new O-rings, lubricated with a light film of transmission fluid, to the filter ports. Install the new filter onto the transmission. Install the mounting bolt and tighten it securely. Make sure the gasket surface on the transmission pan is clean. Then install a new gasket. Put the pan in place against the transmission and install the bolts. Working around the pan, tighten each bolt a little at a time until the specified torque setting is reached. Don't over-tighten the bolts. Lower the car to the ground and tighten the wheel lug nuts to the specified torque setting. Install the wheel trim center cap, pushing it firmly into place. With the vehicle on level ground, remove the transmission fluid dipstick and pour 2.5 quarts of the correct type of automatic transmission fluid through the filler tube. With the transmission in park and the parking brakes set, start the engine and let it idle for a few minutes. With your foot on the brake, move the gear selector lever through each range, pausing for a few seconds between each interval. Then, back to park. With the engine still running, check the fluid level with a dipstick. Add fluid if needed to reach the correct level. When the transmission is warm, the fluid level should be in the operating temperature range, which is within the cross-hatched area. Turn off the engine. Check under the vehicle for leaks after the first few trips.